Hi everyone, today we will talk about how you convert 2D blurry pixelated image into 3D render in Blender. Let's just get started. First of all, we make a new file. We can turn any 2D image into 3D render like logos. Let's search logos. We'll go to image. Let's just go with Adidas. Just open in next tab and simply take screenshot. If image quality is too low, then we will enhance the image quality first, and then we will convert this PNG into SVG through open source software Inkscape. I think it's look better, not too bad. I will open this image in Inkscape like this. I will put this software link in the description. Now we will in the Inkscape software we will select this logo and go to path and trace bitmap. We will trace this bitmap and just apply. We will create another transparent logo. Just delete this one and select this logo. Press Ctrl Shift R to turn the canvas here. Go to file, export, and here select the plain SVG and choose the location where you want to save this file and export. So here is our SVG file. So let's import in the Blender. First of all, delete everything and go to file, import scalable vector graphics and choose our SVG file. It's too small. Let's scale. Press S and scale 20 times or 40 times. Right click, set origin to geometry and rotate. Let's change the color of this material. Currently it is SVG default material applied. We will remove this and create new one. Just go to material tab and give any color you want. I will go with glossy BSDF, delete principal BSDF and press shift A and add glossy BSDF and plug BSDF to surface. Now one more thing I do, I will give the color with black body node, which is a Kelvin temperature, and plug into color. Now it will turn like into orange. We will change color of this logo according to temperature. Let's just like 1000, which is I think orange or red. I will go for this and go to solid, and what I will do, go to the properties of this logo which is curve and open geometry, give that little bit thickness, press shift, hold shift and then increase, otherwise it's too much extrude. I think it's okay. Now go to bevel properties and also add depth. I think it's too much. One more good thing is if we select this logo and press tab, you will see its curves vertices here. If you face any shading issues, you will simply move one vertex, you will fix that shading issues. So yeah, this is our 3D logo. Now I add some lighting to make it more beautiful. What I do, just add plane, rotate on 90 degree, and I think it's good to go. Just press GX to move little bit. I think here it is good. Now if I go to render tab and world property 0, and I will add light here, area light. Just rotate like this, scale it up and increase the brightness like 100. I think it's too much. Let's make it 50 and also scale it down. One more thing I will do, select the logo and I will go to material tab and I will increase the roughness to 0. Now it will look shiny. Scale it up little bit. See how it look beautiful. We will animate this light also. One more light here, just here, just rotate a little bit here and here. These edges reflection looks beautiful, but I will make it more beautiful. Select this logo, go to modifier tab and search for edge split modifier and you will see reflections on the edges. Look at this. Now add camera, adjust the view, hold Ctrl Alt and numpad 0 to align camera with the view. I will also add material to this background plane. If you have a node wrangler add-on on, you will learn one more thing here. Just go to preference, add-on, node wrangler, check this box and select this principal BSDF, press Ctrl Shift E. Now I will go to the textures folder and select multiple textures here. Base color, this roughness, click principal texture setup and boom, it will automatically set up these textures. So yeah, that's for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and if you need any help related to Blender, reach me out on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you for watching the video.